This is midnight, Sohel Ranagin. We are working today is 1842 is actros MP4. There is a problem in accelerator pedal and air filter monitoring sensor short circuit to the ground. Uh, Positive, sorry, not ground, is positive, is 24 volt short circuit accelerator pedal. So you already diagnosed this one. No short circuit because this new vehicle never be happen short circuit in the we change already pedal, but pedal is short circuit into the what do you call in positive. So we already removed this one. Here you can see this is the control unit, CPC. So this CPC 3 is Continental Mercedes Benz. So here you can see the part number. So we already analyze everything, make one is power supply we already put from here, and by cable and ignition switch we put one additional ignition switch to on off the control unit. So this is the direct power section. Here it is the accelerator pedal wiring. We check there is a 6 wire in the accelerator pedal, all of them 5 wire short circuit to the 24 volt positive. So I already removed this wiring diagram from here. So I see there is a wiring diagram from, I already collect the wiring diagram. So this is the wiring diagram should be going. So there is a 2 positive and 2 ground and 2 signal. So this accelerator pedal has a 2 bank, one bank 1, one bank 2. So there is a 2 bank to working together. So there is a definitely 2 ground and 2 positive. So this is here you can see this the A3 and A3 by 2. So already we found the A3 by 2 here. We connect the wiring and we get almost short circuit to the 24 volt. So we power up the control unit. So there is ignition here. I stop the ignition. Here you can see load is going to 0 and 1 is loading going to 0.10 amps. So the control unit is running. So here you can see this amps going to be 11 by 12 until 12 0.12 ampere is good also. So this is take only 0.10 amps the control unit. So I find here some capacitor short circuit. So 1 2 3 I make market, and 3 here is number 4 here is a very tiny like a crystal also capacitor or resistor, I don't know, I must check it in data sheet. And also this side I found there is a 2 ceramic capacitor short circuit. So I have to remove one by one and check which one exactly short circuit to the positive. So all going to be short circuit when I power on. Allowing this one always short circuit together. So I think this one, or I remove one by one check, because when I give power it is short circuit. When I not give to the power, it's not short circuit. So we already analyze around 2 hours we make wiring everything, and it's a lot of fun. Thank you for watching, and I think your people get a little bit of knowledge. Accelerator pedal short circuit to the positive. So there is a code here. I can show you. There is a code in my DTC list here. So there is a code accelerator pedal. This is the power supply, short circuit to the ground, and this is the accelerator pedal, short circuit to the positive. So this is the positive short circuit, not the ground. So there is a fault code here, 0BF0E3. I make clear because this is not clear, sorry. This is the code here. Okay, so this is not on code. There is a all the pedal sensor has short circuit to the, this is almost bank 1 bank 2 all short circuit. So here you can see the code number here. Okay, thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.